Hi guys. Today we'll try to understand a very much important function in terms of formatting. So whenever you apply any kind of formatting, suppose I make this entire row bold. Yeah. I make this entire row italic and probably I make the text red in color. I may increase the font of this particular data. So I make it 22. Okay. So any kind of formatting. So even if I apply a conditional formatting, which we have seen in our previous video, we have applied it to some cell, but we also wanted to apply it to some other data as well. So every time going back to the same, doing the same thing again and again does not make sense. So suppose I make some complex formatting. So suppose this region, I color it as yellow, make the text as red, uh, put some bordering onto it like this one, and what should I do? I make it middle lined. Now I want to quickly apply this entire formatting to suppose items. So do I repeat the same steps again and again for this particular column as well? Well, you do not have to do that. Excel has a wonderful function which will quickly apply the same formatting such as color, font style, size, border style, or any multiple pieces of uh, formatting that you do to your, even the conditional formatting that you do to your data that can be copied and pasted immediately. Yeah. So with Format Painter, you can copy all the formatting from one object and apply it to another one. Think of it as a copy and paste of formatting. Yeah. So as we copy and paste data, same way we copy and paste formatting. How do you do that? So there are two, three ways in which I'll show you. The first, again, as I told you earlier, by using your mouse. So if I click on this particular formatting, so I want to copy this formatting of region to items. So what I'll do, I'll first select the place where I have the formatting. Then I click on the Format Painter button, which is available on the Home tab in the ribbons. So in the ribbon, you have this clipboard group in which you have this Format Painter command. Yeah. So we can use this Format Painter command. For that, you need to first select the data which you want to copy the formatting from. Click on the button of Format Painter, you can see, and then the icon that we had previously has changed to a paintbrush icon. You can see the kind of icon that I have right now. Now, if I click on any other column or cell that I want to format with the same formatting, it will do the same. So I do not have to do anything to get the formatting done. Yeah. So let me show it to you again. So I have this cell where I have the formatting done for this region. I click on the cell or the column or any data that I want to do the formatting. So suppose I want to have this formatting which is available for pencil. I make it red, I make it yellow. I want this to be copied to all the pencils which are below it. So what I can do is I can select this cell, go to Format Painter, click on it, and click on the cells or select the cells where I want to apply the formatting. So you can see the formatting has been applied. Pretty clear, pretty easy to do it. Yes. So this was one way of copying the formatting. Another way of copying a formatting is suppose I select this cell. what I need to do is I need to copy it. So Control C, if you remember, for copying, or you can have this copy command here, which is available on the clipboard group again. So I click on copy, go to paste, and in paste special, you have the option for copying, pasting the format. See this? In this paste group, you have the option to paste the format. So I click on paste formats and I click on OK. So that I need to do once I select where I want the format. So I want this. So let's decide I want this pencil formatting that I have for cell D4. Yeah, so D4 I have the formatting. I want to copy it for D14. Yeah, so what I'll do, I'll first click on copy or Control C. If you remember the buttons that I have told you, keyboard shortcuts, click on paste, go to paste special. Oh, sorry, I have copied it. I need to go to the place where I want to apply the formatting. Suppose I want to do the formatting for D14 to D16. Yeah, so I go to paste special, and I click on formats from the paste. So I say paste formats and I'll say OK. So you see the format has got applied. So this is a second way in which you can apply formatting from one cell to another. How complex it may be. Even conditional formatting can be copied from one cell to another. Yeah, using the format painter. Yes, so you need to remember that the icon immediately change its shapes to a brush. So you can see there is a brush that has come in as the icon. So if I click anywhere, the format would be copied. Okay. So this is a very crucial tool wherein you do not need to remember what kind of formatting you have done for a particular cell. Maybe you have done multiple formattings. You can just copy paste it using the format painter. Okay. And through the keyboard shortcut, as I have told you earlier, we also need to look into keyboard shortcut for any kind of operations we do on Excel. So suppose I want to copy this formatting to binder as well now, the pencil formatting. So I'll first select the data or go to the cell where I have to copy the formatting from. Now, the same thing that we have done to access the ribbon, we click on Alt H. That is my home tab. As soon as I go to the home, sorry, I click on Alt H, which will go to the home tab. And under home tab, it is FP for format painter. So I click on FP. Yes. Oh, I have clicked on the wrong cell. So I need to copy this. So again, I go to this cell, which has pencil, which has the formatting. So I'll say Alt H and then FP. So it is copied the formatting. Yes. Then I go to the cell where I want to apply the formatting. Yes. So this is how you apply the formatting to a particular cell within Excel. That too, you can copy formatting from one cell to other cell. Okay. So we have seen it with the help of the mouse. We have seen it from the ribbon. We have seen it through the paste special option that is available. We have seen it how you can do it through the keyboard. Now, the important thing that you need to know is, suppose I just remove this formatting altogether. Okay. Now, suppose I remove this formatting again. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so I have this formatting done. Now I am changing the formatting for this cell, making it red, making it italic, underline. I've done a lot of things over here right now. I am putting some borders as well to the entire column. Now I want to apply formatting to multiple columns. I suppose I want to apply it to C, I want to apply it to D, I want to apply it to G as well. One way of doing it is I copy the format painter first. So I have applied it, and then simply clicking on your left mouse, keeping it clicked throughout, drag it till the last item. Yeah, but invariably I have made the other columns as well, or I have format painted the other columns as well, which I was not supposed to format. So in that case, what can be done? So suppose you want to copy this formatting from multiple columns or multiple cells altogether. What you need to do is you need to first select the data from where you need to copy the formatting. This time you need to double click on the format painter. Remember, single click will only help you copy the formatting once, and the paintbrush option goes off. You can see the cursor has changed to plus now. The brush option has gone and you cannot copy it to other column. Yeah. But by double clicking format painter, if I double click on it, it will keep the icon as it is. So if I click here, see my icon is still as it is. Now I can click on any other column still till I press escape on my keyboard or click on this format painter button once again. Yeah. So this is how you can apply formatting to multiple columns by double clicking on the format painter. So this is a very important tool in terms of when you're formatting your data to make it presentable. And at times you apply too many formatting to your data, which probably it's very tedious when you're trying to apply the same formatting somewhere else. And probably you may forget some of the formatting which you have applied. Yeah. And also it saves you multiple clicks. If I have to do multiple formatting, imagine so many clicks that I have to do for a particular column or a particular cell or a particular data that you have to copy from some other place. So just with the help of one click, I am copy pasting the entire formatting from one column or data to another data. Yeah. Hope you understood the use of format painter in Excel. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Yes, do comment if you want me to cover any topics which are useful to you in your day-to-day life and you wanted to cover in in this 365 days of Excel. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how we are going to get all these videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.